Are you trying to boost your car's cargo space without clutter or extra trips to the store? Don't worry, we've tested and narrowed down the top options so you can pick the perfect roof cargo basket for your vehicle. Today, I'm going to be going over the best roof cargo basket that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the WEIZE Roof Rack Basket. From the moment unboxed, this basket communicates practical value for families and outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliable, budget-friendly cargo solutions. Its open framework design offers straightforward loading, making it ideal for campers, hikers, and road trippers who frequently transport bulky gear. Constructed from heavy-gauge steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, the WEIZE Roof Rack Basket feels sturdy and capable of withstanding weekend rain and sun. It measures approximately 44 by 39 by 7 inches, providing ample cargo space without overly extending the vehicle's silhouette. The powder-coated finish resists chips and scratches, while a textured surface eases cleaning and hides road grime between trips. A universal mounting kit accompanies the basket, enabling secure crossbar compatibility across most factory rails and aftermarket systems for versatile installation. The basket features a reinforced spine and side rails that distribute weight evenly, reducing flex and improving on vehicle handling at speed. Weather-resistant hardware, stainless steel bolts, and a snug wire grid prevent items from shifting when driving on rough roads. During real-world tests, it held bulky gear such as camping tables and coolers without noticeable sway, illustrating solid aerodynamics for its size. At highway speeds and downhill sections, the mounting hardware remained secure while the lid-style opening facilitated swift top loading and unloading. Compared to the Yakima front loader, this basket offers a lighter weight footprint with similar capacity, but at a notably lower price. The pros include easy to install, durable steel construction, and generous load capacity. The cons include heavier weight for its class and higher price relative to equally capable, budget-minded basket options. At number 4, we have the MaxxHaul 70150. This initial impression positions the basket as a practical upgrade for active families, weekend campers, and road trip enthusiasts seeking dependable cargo space. For the target audience, the compact footprint and quick access design make it ideal for family trips, camping weekends, and adventure expeditions. With a welded steel frame and a weather-resistant powder coat, the MaxxHaul 70115 feels prepared for weather exposure. Its low-profile design reduces wind drag and helps preserve fuel economy while ensuring stable handling during highway runs. The included mounting hardware supports universal crossbar fit, letting most roof racks accept the basket without invasive modifications. A standout feature is the dense mesh panels that provide strong cargo support while facilitating airflow and quick content checks. A raised lip around the edge keeps items from sliding off during bumpy stretches and abrupt stops. Multiple tie-down points and anchor hooks offer flexible strap arrangements for bags, coolers, and sporting gear. During field tests, load stability remains solid under highway speeds and uneven surfaces, with minimal sway even when fully loaded. On gusty days, the basket demonstrated surprisingly predictable behavior, with the mount keeping everything aligned and secure. The coating withstood gravel and moisture exposure, and after months of use, there was no rust or visible chipping. Compared to the Leader Accessories 60-inch basket, the MaxxHaul 70115 offers easier mounting and greater versatility. The pros include easy one-person installation, durable powder-coated steel frame, and expansive flexible cargo storage capacity. The cons include high price and heavier weight, which may deter budget-minded buyers and complicate solo loading on hill climbs. At number 3, we have the GarveeLife Roof Rack Carrier Basket. The GarveeLife Roof Rack Carrier Basket presents a compact, utilitarian silhouette that instantly signals practical, adventure-ready intent for weekend warriors and families. It's targeted at active drivers who need extra cargo space without sacrificing vehicle balance or interior cabin flexibility during road trips. Even first-time roof basket users can appreciate the straightforward install process and clear mounting guides that reduce setup friction. Moving into build quality, the basket showcases sturdy welding joints and reinforced corners that promise resilience against road debris and frequent loading. Its dimensions strike a practical balance between capacity and crossbar compatibility, with a generous interior width that accommodates bulky luggage without obstructing lights. Its mounting interface uses a universal clamp design that fits most factory rails and aftermarket bars, reducing ambiguity during installation. Under the shell, a lightweight alloy frame balances strength and corrosion resistance while maintaining a relatively low profile on the vehicle roof. The basket features welded mesh with reinforced lips for secure strap anchors and an open weave that drains water and mud efficiently. Additionally, flexible tie-down points are integrated along the rim to prevent shifting cargo during sharp turns or high wind conditions. In real-world testing, the GarveeLife basket maintains stable airflow with minimal noise at highway speeds, even when heavily loaded. During tight turns, the design kept center of gravity predictable, and the integrated mounting system showed little camber or wobble. We tested with camping gear and groceries, noting reliable latch engagement and no rattling after hours on rough roads. Compared to the Thule Canyon basket, the GarveeLife offers better price and similar load handling, albeit with fewer mounting options. The pros include a sturdy build that inspires loading confidence, notably easy installation that minimizes setup time, and a weather-resistant coating. The cons include higher price and bulkier profile compared to budget options, which may deter casual buyers seeking minimal impact. At number 2, we have the WEIZE Roof Rack Carrier Basket. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the basket signals rugged practicality tailored for adventure seekers and family road trips alike. Its construction centers on a powder-coated steel frame that delivers sturdy support while resisting rust across seasons of harsh weather. This design targets outdoor enthusiasts who need a durable, easy-to-install cargo solution without sacrificing interior space. The overall footprint is compact enough to avoid overcrowding roof rails, yet it offers ample surface area for bulky gear. Materials use corrosion-resistant coatings and reinforced corners to minimize wear during frequent trips and heavy luggage. The design incorporates a weatherproof seal around edges and a low profile that reduces wind drag during highway runs. The basket includes reinforced crossbar clamps that adapt to most factory rails, ensuring a secure, wobble-free fit. A hinged lid design with safety latches provides quick access while keeping items stable during transit. Overall dimensions balance capacity with street-legal clearance, allowing bulky loads while avoiding interference with door frames or sunroofs. In real-world testing, the basket remains sturdy under heavy payloads and little to no sway at highway speeds. During rain and dust exposure, the coating held up without corrosion while packing remained organized due to the interior lip design. In direct comparison to the Yakima Load Warrior, the WEIZE basket offers comparable storage capacity at a friendlier price. The pros include robust construction, effortless tool-free installation for quick setup, and excellent overall value. The cons include limited color options and wind noise at highway speeds. At number 1, we have the Wildroad Roof Cargo Basket, a rugged aluminum carrier engineered to maximize cargo space while preserving vehicle aerodynamics. From the moment you unbox it, the clean welds and thoughtful mounting points signal a product aimed at adventure-ready families and weekend travelers. Its compact profile suits mid-size SUVs and compact trucks, appealing to hikers, campers, and ferrying gear for active families. The installation process uses standard crossbar clamps, and the included anti-twist stabilizers create a stable footprint even on windy highway stretches. The basket silhouette blends steel and aluminum trim with reinforced corners, delivering a durable frame that resists dents while maintaining light handling. The 52 by 44-inch opening provides generous access while remaining manageable for one person to load bulky items. A weather-resistant powder coating protects the steel from corrosion, and the low-profile sides minimize wind drag when not fully loaded. The mounting clamps are reinforced to fit most factory roof rails and crossbars without adapters, ensuring a snug, tool-free attachment. Its welded mesh floor improves drainage and reduces weight, while keeping debris from snagging during long road trips and camping runs. With a compact height of under 6 inches, the basket preserves visibility and reduces lift when stacking luggage. In field tests, the Wildroad maintains stable airflow at highway speeds, showing minimal sway and only moderate gust influence. During load tests, it supported up to the recommended load while preserving handling, confirming dependable performance with payload near the limit. Even when fully loaded, the basket maintains center of gravity well enough to avoid major sway on uneven roads. In head-to-head comparison with the Yakima front loader, the Wildroad offers faster install and lower price, though it trades some rigidity and capacity. The pros include sturdy construction, exceptionally easy installation, generous load space, and reliable weather resistance that handles seasonal elements. The cons include a higher price compared with budget baskets and a noticeably moderate weight compared to steel alternatives.